Hello, this is your anxiety nurse again, Lawrence. Alam nyo po, do not compare your recovery with other people because everyone is different. Just because someone was able to cope without the use of medications and therapy doesn't mean that you are weak. Okay? Tatandaan po natin yan. Mental illness is a very complex and broad disorder. And some people suffer from multiple disorders and comorbidities. Hindi lamang po anxiety or depression. Yung iba may bipolar, yung iba may schizophrenia, and so on. Okay? So, hindi lang siya nalilimit sa anxiety. And napakadami. Related din ito sa isa't isa eh. So, please let us be considerate and avoid being judgmental. Kasi alam nyo po, hindi po kasi lahat ng tao is parehas ng upbringing. Hindi parehas ng coping strategy o hindi parehas ng mga support system. So iba-iba. Yung ibang gumaling without intervention, very lucky for them. But maybe because they have a very good support system o they have just a mild mental health disorder and so. So wag po natin i-compare, okay? Wag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Ito po muli si Lawrence, ang inyong lingkod.